Welcome to Data Talk, presented by IDEA Data and Research. DATA stands for Data Analysis Techniques Applied. Data Talk is a series of videos for Arkansas's local education agencies on the use of data, particularly for special education staff. The series will cover the basic concepts of data, including understanding data sources, context of the data, analytical techniques, and the reporting of IDEA data. In this episode, we are going to discuss how to create an advanced search for the early childhood resident LEA listing from the student management system. There is a requirement for early childhood special education programs to collect physical address for all children served in the school district where the child resides. This is known as the resident LEA number. The resident LEA information is used to allocate funding and to determine if an LEA has significant disproportionality. Let us begin with the Cycle 4 submission and review. In preparation for Cycle 4, the December 1 child count, early childhood, abbreviated as EC, special education programs should verify the information in the early childhood module and the physical address and the contact information to ensure accuracy. During the review period, January 1st through the 31st, local education agencies, abbreviated as LEAs, verified the list of children who were submitted by the EC program as living in their boundaries. The physical address provided in Cycle 4 is used for the verification. Prior to submitting Cycle 4, EC programs can create an advanced search, which can be exported to Excel to assist them in ensuring the information is accurate in the student management system. First, log into the student management system. Second, click on the magnifying glass to open the Simple and Advanced Search options. Then click Advanced Search. A picture of the Advanced Search screen is provided on the slide. The Advanced Search screen is comprised of the criteria for selecting records, the fields you would like to display in your report, and you can also select a sort order. Let us talk about the search criteria specific to creating a resident LEA report. In the advanced search criteria, we have to indicate the area, the field name, condition, and the value. Now, let's set up the advanced search criteria. In the area field, using the drop-down menu, select Early Childhood General Information. The drop-down menu is in alphabetical order. Then you select the field name. Which students do you want to display? In the example, we are going to display active students only. So the field name is Entry Withdrawal. The condition is where you select if you want a specific condition such as equal, greater than, between, etc. We are going to select equal to. Then finally, in the criteria, what do we want the value to be? Is it equal to A for active or I for inactive? Of course, we want only active students, so the value is A. Now that the criteria is complete, we will need to add the list of fields to be displayed. Here is a screenshot of the field you will want to display. In row 1, select Early Childhood General Information as the area, and then select Resident LEA for the field name. In rows 2 through 5, select Contacts and the necessary field names. Note that the contact street number may already be part of the street name. If that is true, then the number will be blank. You can sort the information by resident LEA to group records together by selecting Early Childhood General Information as the area and the resident LEA as the field name. Then select the sort order of ascending or descending, A to Z or Z to A. When you create an advanced search, you have the option to save it for later use. Click on the down arrow on the right side of the search criteria bar as seen in the picture. Click Save As and enter a title name such as EC Resident LEA and make the area Special Education. To access it later, to rerun the list, click on the star on the right side of the search criteria bar, as seen in the picture. A new screen called Search Favorites opens. Your saved searches are listed under the My Searches heading. Locate your saved search and click. Your results will look similar to the picture. Starting on the left side of the picture is the student name, followed by the district student ID number and grade level. Note that the student name, ID number, and grade populated even though we did not include them in the search display options. Then your search display fields are shown: resident LEA, street number, street name, city, and zip. Also, I did not include state in the display selection. However, if you are an LEA located on the border with another state, the contact state should be included in the display listing if you are serving children that live in another state. You can also export your report to Excel. Now that your report is showing on the screen, you can export it to a PDF or Excel. I would recommend Excel so the data can be sorted and filtered in multiple ways. The Excel icon is on the top of the blue Search Results bar. A new box will open for you to name your report and to save the export. If you do not name the report, it will default to the report title Student List Report. If you need assistance with using Excel, we would recommend you watch the Data Talk Season 2, Episode 2, Using Excel to Examine Your Data. The Data Talk series can be accessed from the Office of Special Education's Data and Research website under Data Talk, or we really would encourage you to subscribe to the IDEA Data and Research YouTube channel. The address to the YouTube channel is https://www.youtube.com/the IDEA DATA RESEARCHUALR 9292, or just search IDEA Data and Research. Now let's look at exporting your data from MySped Resource. Early childhood programs can export their child count data from MySped Resource during the January review period. Log into MySped Resource, place your mouse over Students, and then move it to Early Childhood Cycle 4. Click on the entry Early Childhood Data. Once the screen opens, click on the Export to Excel and save it to a secure location. Filtering or sorting the resident LEA field in Excel will provide the early childhood program the same list of children the resident or home districts see in their verification report. Remember, changes to resident LEA must be made by the early childhood program in both MySped Resource, the final data source for allocations and significant disproportionality, and the Student Management System Early Childhood General Information screen. Thank you for viewing this episode of Data Talk. We hope you have found it to be helpful and will join us for upcoming Data Talk episodes. Our contact information is IDEA Data and Research, University of Arkansas at Little Rock, 2801 South University Avenue, Stabler Hall 406, Little Rock, Arkansas 72204. Our phone number is 501-916-3219. Our fax number is 501-916-3238. If you have questions, you can contact Dr. Jody Fields at JAFIELDS @ualr.edu.